himself. I don't even know how to pronounce his name.
Abdeslam.
You see, I can't pronounce dangerous name. So I think allow me to call him Chokeslam.
Well, this is still Amafen's Way to TV, and I'm still your man, Kamza the Sport. And right now, I do have a supporter from a rival team just to get their thoughts with regards to the new appointment of Abdeslam Wadu. Who do I have today? I have my good man from London, Landas Ukraine. Kemunati. So, Mvana, I want to get your opinion with regards to your rival team, as Uboni Bansit's announcement, they've appointed a new coach. Well, he's not new in our shows, but new in a form or he's a new Orlando Pirates head coach, Abdeslam Wadu. So we're not got that appointment.
Yeah, immediately announcement. That reminds me the time that I think it was 2 years back.
Yeah.
When I went to Morocco. They know this coach as a electricity manager.
Oh, okay. Okay, tell us more.
Yeah, so
I'm interested now.
Yeah, they know him as a electricity manager. You've got the ESCOM certificate.
Okay.
But for myself, when I look at his profile of coaching, when he come here in South Africa, he once be at AS Vita, ne?
Yeah, AS Vita.
Yeah, so the guy have shown his character. For myself, they've already called him a plumber. I would say it's a good signing for Orlando Pirates. Remember, as I said, the once when I went to Morocco, he was an electricity manager.
Yeah.
He's going to shock many teams, and people, they're going to be more surprised. Yeah.
So we've seen him the 3 months. Abilengayona Kumarumo Gallants. He might not have the resources or maybe the players, but with what you have seen, Ayenzen Kamarumo Gallants, would you say that he's going to elevate that with what he will have for Orlando Pirates? I mean, you look at the resources that they have and also the supposedly signings the Lorang Badians.
Yeah, in my opinion, looking at what they have done at Marumo Gallants in a short period of like in 3 months or less than 3 months.
Yeah.
He have changed Marumo Gallants. I wish in the right track record.
Yeah.
And looking at the structure Samarumo Gallants.
Yeah.
Players that's make me to question myself for if Okono Hoira Soko Marumo Gallant, I change Marumo Gallant. Orlando Pirates is going to get the quality players like Mufukeng, Tito Maswanganye, Makaula. So it shows that they're gonna bring a result at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Why so? Sheva Bolo ene dalaki Jose Rivero. Le bolo na I dala from Marumo Gallant or what he believe udala di wing wa attack.
Yeah.
And the Jose Rivero wa dala bolo ya attack. So I think there's no difference between he and Jose Rivero.
Yeah. And also I'm looking at what the stature of the coach Lorenke Wadu.
Yeah.
Would you say that he's going to bring that competition? Because Arasoboni competition in a long time, in a sense that you have, like I'm saying, Abdeslam, you have Nabi now, you have Cardoso. Rabatobona competition between these three, I mean, we haven't seen that in a long time. So would you say that Utlotisa that element whereby now Ripotor is the league going to Sundowns, is the league going to Pirates, is the league going to Chiefs? That competition, that stiff competition between the three.
I like that question. For myself, we said that victory, you're competition.
Yeah.
But for myself to answer this question, I don't want to base it as a Karata Chiefs, but we need to look at the profile of the reality. I think signing your Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, they're still going to dominate.
Okay.
I don't see Orlando Pirates winning the league. Coach. I'm not saying Akasi win any league. League, but this season Osailo Lena a lot. Osailo you need to get the culture of Orlando Pirates. o tsamaile a kreye team ya hae ya like one tlhaloganya.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates e believer ko DDC. Orlando Pirates ba dlala ka di player from development, many of them. You needed a coach e le re e botlhale o tshwana le Jose Rivero. Jose Rivero o adoptile style sa Orlando Pirates quickly.
Yeah.
That's why o khona dlala ka bo Mbokazi, Selepe, Mofokeng, like such a young players, and they khona who dominate the result. But looking at the coach, only 2 years, 6 months as a coach, less than 3 years, record high. It's questionable if he can make it to Orlando Pirates. Yes, he can, but he need time. And I remember Team Ilmokai. I think they got a right coach at the wrong time. The coach, all right, but Utile at the wrong time. Why I'm saying this, my brother? Orlando Pirates, they are playing back-to-back CAF champion. Orlando Pirates, they've been position 2 and 3 more than 3 to 4 years from 2020 or 2021. The question is it going to make them number 1? For myself, no. The question is going to win a CAF champion? The answer is no. Why? It doesn't have a record. Yaho Dalako CAF. It doesn't have a record or any trophy. Ya CAF. Experience. You needed a coach like Steve Barker. We have been there back to back with Stellenbosch, a Confederation Cup. You needed a coach like I can point from Zamalek and Simba. They've been there. So Pirates never semi-final of CAF champion. Are they going back to semi-final of CAF champion? That's why I say you bring the right coach at the wrong time. Number 1, I think it's about time. Himself, I don't even know how to pronounce his name.
Abdeslam.
You see, I can't pronounce dangerous name. So I think allow me to call him Chokeslam. Yeah. So Mr. Chokeslam,
nickname already.
We just already only we call him Chokeslam. So Mr. Chokeslam, we respect you. For him, this is a message that must go to Mr. Chokeslam now. He must stay far away from social media. Because of why I'm saying this, they've already got pressure now. If I'm telling you about the profile of Orlando Pirates, where Jose Rivero advocating Pirates, it's a pressure for now. What he gave my Orlando Pirates family, what he gave for Orlando Pirates fans, you can't predict that. You need a coach who's not going to break the chain, but just continue with the chain. But myself, remember, if you bring a coach from Marumo Gallants to those top class of players, ba coach Jose Rivero, ba coach Coach Rivero, ba coach Hugo Bruce from national team. They're expecting a top class of the coach. For myself, I don't know if they're going to respect him. For myself, it's also 90% of Orlando Pirates, they've got doubt on him. Looking at the profile of Timo Intemoga, that's why I say they've bring him at the wrong time. But it was the right decision.
Now, Arikwalem fit. Players, the Pirates, they're going to be reporting for pre-season. You know, of course, even the fixtures, they've been confirmed. But the teams still Spain. You know, of course, they need to hit the ground running. Now, with everything now going into pre-season and now starting the season already. I mean, like you've already said, already signing for Orlando Pirates already, it's pressure on its own. But now pressure to defend the first title because now they've done it 3 times. Can they do it for the 4th time?
To say it again?
Orlando Pirates. MTN 8. 3 times. First thing is, that's the first competition. Can he push them to win it for the 4th time?
For myself, it's a pressure for him. Like I said, he came at the wrong time but that was the right decision. Remember what I'm saying. Ne? I'll do example ka Coach Nabi. He went pre-season ka Kaizer Chiefs. Look at finishing ya high ibile ko kae. He came now, we are pre-season team. When he come back, the first trophy that they are expecting from him, M10-8. If he lose that M10-8, it's a call-up already for him. So everyone is going to sing a song and Mr. Chokeslam must leave.
Okay.
So, like I said, he must delete the social media. Yeah, for him, if Anyakor abe mo pressing, aska shebela social media oreng, a delete social media, aska kena social media. After then, a kono bona okay, ukrile Orlando Pirates mo ile monte, cause over under pressure wona biano. Pirates is not under pressure. But support like Ntweluri na utwe ikreya, you over under pressure. And then again, remember as a new coach, it's a new development. The player, they have to get used to him, kind of play and stuff. So in Cholore, as a player, you are going to learn your coach. Okay, coach arena, u believer continue so, unyaka so, system ya iso. Into irang, it change character ele yo ya player. We don't know that Mofokeng is going to be the same Mofokeng that we know. Jose Rivero have brought us a Mofokeng. But the question is this coming coach going to make a spark and support William Mofokeng, like get the support from previous coach? That's a question. So myself, I'll say, Sowetan team, we need to go back to our roots, back to our normal standard, whereby we dominate position 1 and 2. Our league is no more interesting because of there's no competition. The same very team that must bring the competition is Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Allow me, if I'm saying Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, it's not Sundowns. Why I'm saying so? If we get more competitive, we are going to break that chain of Mamelodi Sundowns. If Orlando Pirates, they beat Mamelodi Sundowns, but Kaizer Chiefs, they can't beat Mamelodi Sundowns. Khosano tshwana le he o traya go bolaya khomu ka plastic seng ka thipa. Sundowns, Chiefs must get 6 points from Mamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates must get 6 points from Mamelodi Sundowns. They drop them back to the normal standard. If they lose 6 points from Pirates and Chiefs, it's a 12 points already. And you can check at the end of the league, Sundowns each year, the team got 10 points or 12 points. 10 points or 12 points. Where is those points coming from? If a team like TS Galaxy can beat Mamelodi Sundowns, a team like Stellenbosch can defeat Mamelodi Sundowns. So it's left to us to take that 6 points. They've already taken 3 points. It's 18 points combined. So I will say it's about time Sowetan team, they become together and try to challenge one team.
You have heard it. London sharing his thoughts with regards to the appointment of Abdeslam Wadu. Well, in his word, it's Mr. Chokeslam. So, will Abdeslam, join in making sure that they challenge, I mean, we like London rightfully say, we miss that challenge whereby we don't know where the league is going to go until the final day. So will we see that from Abdeslam Wadu? We shall wait and see. Let's keep the conversation going. London comes at the spot. We're signing out.